Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to a new life skills episode. Today we will be going over installing batteries. Now, batteries come in multiple shapes and sizes. The most common batteries you'll see are AA and AAA batteries. You will also see C batteries and D batteries, which are typically larger, as well as 9-volt batteries. 9-volt batteries are common, but not as common as these other ones. But today, I will go ahead and, as a base of operations, show you how to install AA batteries. Most devices use either between 2 to 4 batteries. In this case, we will be installing 4 AA batteries into this electric piano. Now, you'll notice on one end, you'll see a little bump, and then on the opposite end, you'll see a flat surface. The flat surface is the negative side, whereas the surface with the bump is the positive side. So you want to make sure you match up the positive side with the negative side, depending on the instructions on the device that you are installing the batteries on. After you cover the slot where the batteries go, you have successfully installed the batteries. With that being said, thank you for watching. You can catch my previous video here on the left. Check out the Life Skills playlist on the right. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.